I will give you a very short one, okay? Short message. So, every one of us knows that the earth is round, is it not?
Yes,
sir. My dear children?
Yes, sir.
The earth is round, so in your life, remember, in your life, whatever you do, whether good, whether bad, it will go, and then if you do one good thing, it will go around, and then it will, at last, it will come back to you. If you do something bad, if you are not obeying, disrespecting your elders, then it will go on, and then at the last moment, it will come back to you. So, my dear children, please, be good, be disciplined, be punctual, be sincere in everything, whatever you do. As in the morning you have always been reciting, you know what is integrity. Integrity means your self-respect is your integrity. So, don't degrade your integrity. Always keep in mind that whatever you do, in the last moment it will always come back to you. So therefore, my dear children, I encourage all of you to do good, to be punctual, to be honest, to be disciplined in your life. So with this short speech, let me wind up here. Thank you.